While in Hartford, an officer is in some serious trouble tonight. Pistol whipping and assault are the charges, and those are just some of the claims that Hartford officer is facing.
And tonight we have learned the department stripped Jovan Gonzalez of his badge, and he is suspended without pay. Channel 3's Shantae Passmore has been following this story. She's live now with what else she's been able to learn. Shantae?
Dennis and Denise, today in Hartford Superior Court, we heard the officer say he wants to clear his name. But in a redacted police report, we learned this alleged incident happened just hours before he went in for his shift. And when he arrived at work, that's when he was interviewed.
An officer sworn to uphold the law entered a courtroom in handcuffs. Jovan Gonzalez is accused of assaulting a former domestic partner and pistol whipping her acquaintance in a motel over the weekend while off duty. Hartford Police and its internal affairs are now investigating. The allegations are deeply concerning, said Interim Police Chief Jason Thody. In a statement, he told Channel 3, quote, "I immediately ordered Officer Gonzalez be suspended without pay and had his police powers suspended as well. This incident does not represent the Hartford Police Department as a whole or the outstanding officers that work here." From City Hall, Mayor Luke Bronin echoed the same sentiment by saying, "These alleged actions are egregious and totally disqualifying, and this officer should be prosecuted to the fullest extent of the law." When we reached out to the police union, it only said, quote, "We don't comment on ongoing personnel issues." Hartford Police put Gonzalez on desk duty after another alleged scandal from August. He's accused of having a romantic relationship with a 17-year-old after arresting her. Through court, we learned Gonzalez does not have a criminal history, but given the nature of the alleged violent nature, the judge said he must turn over any weapons and comply with GPS monitoring when he posts his $50,000 bond. We also learned a protective order is in effect for one of the alleged victims.
Earlier we mentioned how Gonzalez was already in the hot seat for another incident, and coming up at 6, we're going to take a deep dive on that allegation that landed him on desk duty. Live in Hartford this evening, Shantae Passmore, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.